Hey, this is Kate from Schafer Chevrolet here to show you the video of this 2010 GMC Sierra 2500. Right up on the front of the hood, you do got a paint flake on the chrome right there. A couple little touch-up spots from rock chips and everything like that. You got a little bit of a touch-up spot. Looks like some paint, something hit it right there. Looks like it's been touched up though. Underneath the hood, moving to the driver's side, exterior is in good condition, has been well maintained. You got a little bit of a ding right here, a little bit of a touch-up spot right there. You got a bubble right there as well. Got life left in those tires. Looking up underneath the driver's side, over the front driver interior. It is a cloth interior, has been well maintained. A little bit of wear from people sliding in and out of the seat. Other than that, it's in good condition. A few stains on the back bottom of the seat and the rear interior, but nothing to be worried about there. It does look like they had something in the floor right there. You got the vinyl floors on it. Vehicle does have just under 90,000, 150 miles. You got a little bit of scuff mark right there on the door. Bit of a couple speckles right there. Got life left in those tires. You do got, just looking on the, sorry about that, this is just water spots. Moving to the tailgate of the vehicle, you do got a couple little cracks in the tail light. In the rear bumper, you got a little bit of a ding right there. Does look like that's missing the housing right there. You do got some bubbling at the bottom of the tailgate as well. You do got to put in bed liner. You got a couple of dings on this side of the tailgate as well on the passenger side. Bit of a, looks like some paint kind of drip there. Passenger side exterior is in good condition, has been well maintained as well. You got a little bit of crack in the tail light on the passenger side also. Life left in those tires. You got a little bit of a touch-up spot right in front of the wheel well. Looking up underneath the passenger side, up on the hood, you do got a couple of touch-up spots right above the windshield. Got a couple little dings right here at the bottom of the front passenger door. Life left in those tires. Overall, for the mileage and the year of the vehicle, it is in good condition. Again, this was a video of this 2010 GMC Sierra 2500. Thank you for watching.